Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Java code in Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site editor and click on add, search and type here value dev mode and click on value developer mode and click on get started and click on turn on developer mode, and then from this left menu select the page where you want to add JavaScript, selecting here product page, and now here you can easily add your JavaScript code. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.